You made dua for years. And nothing happened. You watched others succeed. While you stayed waiting. You asked yourself, did Allah forget me? But listen, Allah never breaks His promise. Allah says in Surah Ar-Rum,
وعد الله لا يخلف الله وعده ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
The promise of Allah, Allah does not fail in His promise, but most people do not know. Sometimes, Allah delays what you want. Not to punish you, but to protect you. What you call waiting might be Allah preparing the perfect moment. Remember Prophet Yusuf, alayhi salam? He spent years in a prison cell, forgotten by people. But never by Allah. When the time was right, Allah opened every locked door in one command. That's how divine timing works. Silent, unseen, but certain. So when you don't see progress, don't say, nothing's happening. Say, something's being prepared for me. Allah's promise isn't just about reward. It's about timing, mercy, and wisdom. What's written for you will reach you. Not early, not late. But exactly when Allah knows you're ready. Comment, I trust Allah's timing. Save this reminder for when patience feels heavy. Follow for more Quranic motivation.